A woman plans to surprise her husband with a Rottweiler for his 30th birthday, knowing he had one as a kid. She asks him to go outside and tells him how much she loves him. She hands him a box, and inside is a dog tag. The man is puzzled, wondering if she got him a dog. Then his daughter appears with a real surprise, a Rottweiler puppy. The man is shocked and takes the dog into his arms for the first time. The dog looks precious. To lighten the moment, the man makes a funny joke that makes the whole family laugh. It's a heartwarming and memorable birthday surprise.